certificate that you're given requires that there is supposed to be annual environment audit. So there's a difference between an audit and assessment. Assessment is done at the beginning on the virgin land, the greenfield, to determine what impacts this construction will cause to the environment. But during construction, there has to be an audit to check whether what you profiled as negative impacts to the environment, the mitigation measures are being implemented. So every year, we engage a consultant to do an audit to confirm whether the construction is proceeding with the minimum impacts on the environment as provided during the time of assessment. So this increase was because the project was supposed to take 3 years. But because of the challenges we experienced, the project has taken longer, especially to do with the land acquisition, to do with the inadequate budget cuts. Now the project has taken longer, and yet we are supposed to audit every year. And that's why there was need for variation to provide for environment and social audit, not the assessment. So there are two things. We are auditing the approval conditions which are provided by NEMA, that for you to construct, to mitigate impacts on the environment, don't do this, don't do the other. So we need to check whether the contractor is actually following that. Say, as an example, where are you going to dump the material that you remove from the road? Because there's some material that you excavate and you dump somewhere. Are those sites also assessed and approved where your document came as a result because they wanted to do the environment and social impact audit? And with the technicals that we have, and the consultant, I am wondering how this could happen when they have awarded a contract to a consultant, and they are not thinking about the impact audit. Then after the contract has been awarded, after some time, someone comes back and says, I need to do this. And by doing that, there is no even an opportunity for opening up. They give the same, this huge amount of money to the same contractor without maybe following the proper procedures.
Abantu bangi bawayo ebyapa byabwe naye ebyapa ebyo byemere ekyabiremedde ebyapa biyitirivu nnyo titumanyi kizibu we kiri naye figa bazireese awo tezikwatagana ndala mpandike mu peeni tebitegerekeka era lisiti zebadde balese tuzibagobesa tubagaa muzizeeyo mutuwe lisiti endala ekakasa na bujjo taito ki eriritawa bimeka kugamba bannayuganda bangi tetwagala yunula efuuka ate minisitule ya lands enokola obuvunaanyizibwa bwayo mu budde n'endala ey'abantu bangi abatannaba kusasulira mu bo kati bannaweebwa n'abamu bayinza oba tebannabeebwa naye nga tebannaba kusasulwa abantu bayitirivu nnyo ku nguudo mpitirivu nga mwe muli n'oluguudo lwaffe olwa Luwero kyokka obutalanga oluli mu Nakaseke nalwo abantu bangi bali okwo tebasasulwanga n'abalala ebyapa byabwe bikyaliyo. So tulabanga wakyaliwo akasoobo, wakyaliwo emivuyo. Ne Kagina abaddewo tumuyise wadde nga yava mu kitongole ekyo ali mu mirimu gye mirala naye alina okujja okunnyonnyola okusinziira ku article ya 164 abeera asigala avunaanyizibwa ng'eyali mu ofiisi eyo okunnyonnyola kubanga ezo ofiisi zibeeramu ku lwa bannayuganda ne bwoba ogivuddemu olina okujja onnyonnyola eggwanga singa paalamenti eba ekuyise. So tusuubira ti nga Kosase tujja kuvaayo ne ripooti mu byonna tuveeyo ne ripooti ey'enkomeredde.